You're officially on your way to crafting and curating your very own maker biz. Now that you've got your components, it's time for the fun part. Clear off a nice big empty space where you don't mind getting a little messy and leaving your products to sit for a few hours. With this email, you received a digital copy of our beauty batch book. This little book is your pro reference guide to body care making Q&A and serves as a place to record your measurements. Now go grab your favorite apron and it's time to get making. Step 1. The goods. In your box you'll find packaging, your jars, pumps, and bottles. Bases, the starting place for your formulas. Actives, your unique customization ingredients. Exfoliants, for your body scrub. Fragrance, for that special sensory touch. And your making tools, to, make things. You'll also need a microwave, a clean cloth, and a 5% bleach solution to disinfect and prep your space. Step 2. Prep your space. Once you've unboxed all of your components, disinfect your tools and your space using your bleach solution. This is important to protect your formulas from molding or degrading. Step 3. Get making. Once your materials have been thoroughly disinfected, you're ready to make your first product, a moisturizing body serum with hyaluronic acid. To begin, open your 64-ounce natural aloe vera gel base. Add both 2-ounce bottles of Ultra 7 hyaluronic acid blend and 1 2-ounce bottle of fragrance. Then add 4 ounces or a half cup of filtered water. Mix together with your spatula until all ingredients are evenly mixed into the base. After mixing thoroughly, it's time to bottle. Set your pump bottles out and take the largest funnel in your set and place it in the opening of your bottle. Place the bottle and the funnel on your digital scale and tare. Grab a kitchen towel and place it next to your scale. Carefully pour the mixture into your funnel and gently pound your bottle on the towel to get it from the funnel into the bottle. Repeat this 2 to 3 times until your bottle contains 6 ounces of serum. Be sure to keep the funnel in your bottle when checking your weight. Repeat the following steps to make 24 bottles. Once you've poured your serums, gently screw on your caps. Your serums are done! Next, you're going to make an exfoliating body scrub. Open your 80-ounce Sun Shea body butter base. Add your 2-ounce fragrance and your 1-ounce volcanic pumice powder. Mix by hand until the fragrance and pumice powder are evenly distributed. In your glass pitcher, add 12 ounces or 1.5 cups of filtered water and 4 ounces of mandelic acid AHA exfoliant. Microwave for 30 seconds to help dissolve the mandelic acid if necessary. Mix by hand with a clean spatula. Add this blend to your shea butter base tub and use the white stick blender to blend your product until clumps in the cream disappear. Once your scrub has been thoroughly combined, lay out your glass jars and using your spatula, evenly distribute your cream amongst the jars, placing the provided round inserts on top and then tightly securing the lids. Once your scrub has been bottled, it's time to make your hydrating body cleanser with niacinamide. Clean one of your gallon tubs from any of the previous 2 projects. These will be very handy while mixing this next product. Using freshly cleaned and disinfected utensils, pour 64 ounces of your gentle foaming gel base into your 4-pound glass pitcher. This will go right to the top of the demarcation line. Pour the contents of your pouring pitcher into an empty gallon tub and add 2 ounces of one of your fragrances, then mix by hand until evenly distributed. Clean your pitcher and combine 2 ounces of vitamin B3 with 2 ounces or 1/4 cup of filtered water. Microwave for 30-second increments while stirring in between until all of the niacinamide is dissolved. Add this mixture to your tub and stir gently until evenly distributed. In your now empty pitcher, measure 6 ounces of water and add 8 ounces of fine Himalayan pink salt. Microwave for 1 minute and stir until as much salt as possible is dissolved. Add your saltwater mix to your tub and mix by hand until the salt is combined to create a light pink color. Add 0.06 ounces of citric acid and 2 ounces of xanthan gum and mix until completely dissolved and the gel begins to thicken slightly. Next, pour your product into your 4-pound glass pouring pitcher. Place your bottle with the funnel inside on your scale and tare. Carefully pour your shower gel into the funnel until the scale reads 12 ounces. Repeat the previous steps until all 24 bottles have been completed. Once you've filled all of your bottles, screw on your caps and your cleanser is done. Once your cleanser has been bottled, it's time to make your last product, a hydrating body lotion with vegan collagen. Open one of your 24-ounce Soothing Calendula lotion bases and add 2 2-ounce bottles of vegan collagen liquid amino blend. Add 1 2-ounce bottle of fragrance, and then add 4 ounces or a half cup of filtered water. Mix together by hand with a clean stirring utensil until all ingredients are evenly mixed into the base. To bottle, take the largest funnel in your set and place it in the opening of your bottle. Place the bottle and funnel on your digital scale and tare. Place a kitchen towel next to your digital scale. Carefully add the lotion to your funnel and gently pound your bottle on your towel to get the lotion from the funnel into the bottle. Repeat this 2 to 3 times until your bottle contains 6 ounces of lotion base. Be sure to keep the funnel in your bottle when checking the weight. Repeat the previous steps until you have filled all of your bottles. Woo! Give yourself a pat on the back. Easy peasy, right? Now that you've made all your products, it's time to brand them. With body care products, it's important to include your ingredient listings. For full information about what needs to be on your label, check out our video Regulatory Basics on our YouTube channel. Step 4. Get down to business. If you've never branded anything before, you're not alone. For help choosing a stellar brand name, check out our YouTube video, Choosing a Brand Name. Once you've got your name, head over to our business services on the Explore page to get help with custom labels and product photography. We've included the information to print your ingredient labels at home, but if you want to make custom branded labels for the front of your products, we've included a $100 gift card for our Vistaprint Pro Shop. Use their intuitive design features to create a branded label that's all your own. No design experience required. Then hop on over to Soona and jumpstart your social and internet presence with 2 free photo credits using code Makesy and curate a product photography shoot to make your products pop. And once you've got your brand imagery on dial, we've got a ton of business resources and videos like how to distribute your products on our YouTube channel to help you get out there in the marketplace and begin selling those products and making that moolah. If you've got any questions as you go towards that goal, shoot us a line at hello@makesy.com. We're here to help you every step of the way. You got this. Now, go make it happen.